Are you feeling confused by all the tech jargon? Automation, AI agents? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered because we're going to break it down into ways that are simple, relatable, and easy to understand as your morning cup of coffee. Hello, I'm Melissa, founder of Agility Hub, and at Agility Hub, we're here to help leaders and entrepreneurs build their AI mindset and literacy so you can confidently connect the dots and use AI to grow your business. Now, by the end of this session, you're going to know exactly what automation, and AI agents mean, and how they work, and how you can use them to make your life and business easier. So let's dive in. So I'm going to just do a little doodle here, and I want to show you here is my coffee machine, or your coffee machine at that. And here is this is where start. So automation is based on if X happens, do Y. And so again, I want to think about the automation similar to a coffee machine. So if you press that start button, well, what does it do? It makes your cup of coffee. And so if it will do this every single time if it follows the X and Y simple rules. And it does repetitive tasks without needing to be involved. Other examples of automation might be sending pre-scheduled emails, or maybe automatically paying your bills each month, or scheduling social media posts ahead of time. So automation really does save time on, say, repetitive tasks that don't need much thought. So it's reliable, it's predictable, and it's really great. It's a great first step for streaming your workflows. So what about this machine? And what we have got now is it knows to go off at 7 a.m. It also knows the type or the amount of strength that your coffee, you like it. And this is AI automation. So this is where if X happens, it follows a list of steps, and at least one step calls upon a large language model, or LLM for short. Now, what's a large language model? Well, it's a type of AI that really is good at understanding and generating human language. So I want you to think of it as the brains behind tools like chatbots or virtual assistants that can hold conversation and answer questions or even write content. So now I want to go back to this coffee machine here, but AI automation is like a really smart coffee machine. It doesn't just make your coffee, it learns your preferences. So over time, it figures out that you like a strong coffee at 7 a.m. Oh, if it's strong, I probably should put a couple more bars here. But that is the ability of AI automation. Now, it's adjusting itself automatically as it moves through that process. Now, other examples might be a chatbot that improves its responses in your business by learning from past conversations. Or maybe it's an email system that you set up that decides the best time to send messages based on when your audience is most likely to open them. Or it could be maybe an inventory tool that predicts when you're going to be out of stock and it reorders it for you. So AI automation adds this layer of intelligence to automation. So it will adapt to patterns and will get better at its job over time. So next is AI agents. So finally, we have AI agents coming through the pipeline, 2025. We're going to hear a lot about them. And sometimes it can feel really confusing between an AI agent and then an AI automation. But AI agents are the most advanced of the three. So you can give it goal Y, and then it determines the steps to get there, and it will just do it. So AI agents are like having this in-house barista. You actually have the in-house barista at home who's going to do it all. It's going to make your coffee, Rich right here. It's going to order new beans when you're on low. So it's going to order for you, and it's also going to even give you recommendations of coffees that you might like. Other examples are like in business, it could be a customer service AI agent that handles refunds, answers questions, and then follows up with a customer. Or maybe it's an AI project manager that assigns tasks, tracks progress, and will adjust timelines as priorities shift. AI agents are like having this virtual teammate who can really manage multiple tasks independently and adapt to the changing needs. And they are really ideal for complex multi-step workflows. Now let's see how all three of these work together in a business setting. Automation sends a welcome email to a new customer. AI automation will recommend related products based on the customer's purchase history. And AI agents handle customer service like answering questions, processing refunds, and following up for feedback. Now, each level builds on the last, so it's giving you more power and flexibility as you grow. So here's a quick summary to make it stick. Automation equals basic coffee machine. It follows simple instructions. AI automation equals smart coffee machine. It learns and it adapts to your preferences. And then AI agents equal baristas at home. It thinks, it acts, and it manages tasks independently. So now that you know the difference between automation, and AI agents, I hope these concepts feel a lot less intimidating. Remember, you do not need to dive into AI agents right away. In fact, they're just starting out. It's going to take some time for them to get better and better, but we're going to start to see that in 2025. But you just allow yourself to start small. So really begin with a basic automation to save you time on repetitive tasks, and experiment with AI automation to add intelligence to your workflows. And there's a lot of that. So once you start with AI, just tools, you'll be able to start to see how, oh, I can see how this goes into a workflow. And then when the time is right and technology has evolved, you're going to be ready for these advanced solutions, where you're going to explore AI agents to really take things to the next level. Now, at Agility Hub, we are absolutely here to help you every step of the way. Together, we're going to try to help build confidence, connect the dots, and make AI work for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who might benefit. I'll see you in the next video.